This video hands you a clear path to sipping martinis on the beach. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Investing? Isn't that just for some Wall Street tycoons and people with fancy suits? Well, think again. In this video, we'll explore a variety of investment opportunities that are great for a seasoned pro, but simple enough for those that are just starting out to make some bread. We'll break down the basics of stocks, bonds, and even some trendy options like crypto or real estate. If you don't start investing now, your money might just throw itself a retirement party without you. Imagine your hard-earned cash lounging on a beach somewhere while you're still working 9 to 5 as a wage slave. Not cool, right? So stick around and let's make your money work for you today. 2024 is the perfect year to start investing. Picture the economy as a roller coaster. Sometimes it's a thrilling ride, and other times it feels like you're stuck on the ground. Right now, we're at the tail end of a huge uphill, also known as a bull run. However, the worst thing to do is do nothing. Over the long term, 10 or more years, the average rate of return is 10%. So even if our roller coaster takes a huge stomach-turning drop, it will eventually rise even higher. And if you continue to invest throughout the crash, you can get some serious discounts. The only people who miss out are those who chicken out of getting on the roller coaster from fear of it breaking. This is your moment to plant those investment seeds. Inflation is like that annoying friend who keeps eating your snacks. If you don't invest, your money loses value over time. I think of investing as planting a money tree. Sure, it takes time and care to grow, but with the right nurturing, like consistent contributions regardless of the market, and using common sense, you'll be reaping the rewards before you know it. So grab your watering can and let's get into it. Compound interest is your new best friend in the world of investing. Think of compound interest as the snowball effect of money. Imagine a tiny snowball rolling down a hill of opportunity, gathering more snow and cash as it goes. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. That's how your investments can grow exponentially over time. Waiting to invest is like waiting for a bus that never comes. You stand there checking your watch while your money sits idle, twiddling its thumbs. Meanwhile, that snowball is out there, gaining momentum without you. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to work for you. Who doesn't want their money to work harder than they do? By harnessing the power of compound interest, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. So grab your snowball and let's roll down that hill together. In the words of Charlie Munger, that first 100K is a B. Try and keep it family friendly. But you must do whatever you can to get there. Let me repeat that because it's so crucial. Ingrain that into your brain. That first 100K is a B, but you must do whatever you can to get there. That's because of this snowball effect. Diversification is key. You probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, let's be real. Who wants to carry a basket full of eggs? One little trip and you've got a breakfast disaster on your hands. Instead, think of spreading your investments like placing those eggs in multiple baskets or sectors of the market. If one basket tips over like the tech sector, you still have plenty of eggs left to make an omelet. Diversification is all about risk management. Just like wearing a helmet while riding a bike protects your noggin from unexpected tumbles, spreading your investments can shield you from market fluctuations. If one asset class tanks, others might soar, keeping your financial journey on track. So why not explore different asset classes, from stocks to real estate? Think of it as a buffet of financial options. You wouldn't fill your plate with just one dish, right? So load up on at least 6 investments to create a balanced portfolio. Future you will love the plate that you've prepared. Investing apps are like your pocket-sized financial advisors that make investing as easy as ordering a pizza. If you've ever used apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, you know just how user-friendly they are. With a few taps on your phone, you can start investing without needing a degree in finance. Seriously, if you can order a pepperoni pizza, you can invest in stocks. Thanks to technology, investing is accessible to everyone. With fractional shares nowadays, you can literally invest $1. Gone are the days where you need a broker to buy shares who take an absurd cut. Now you can do it all from your bed in your pajamas. Hell, I'm wearing pajamas right now. So why not take the plunge? Download an investing app and start with a small account. Remember, every penny counts, whether you're investing spare change with Acorns or diving into stocks with Robinhood. The key is to start somewhere. You will make some stupid mistakes, but it's better to make them now. At one point, I was down $500 from only investing in tech stocks. But it's better I made that mistake young, because with a couple months, my portfolio recovered, and I learned a lesson about diversification with only a couple grand invested rather than my life savings. So grab your phone and let's make your money get to work. Let's dive into some common mistakes new investors make and how to avoid being that guy. You know the one, panicking and selling all his stocks during a market dip as if the sky is falling, when you should be buying. If it's like throwing your pizza out the window just because it got a little cold. Instead of making rash decisions, take a deep breath and remember that market fluctuations are as normal as your morning coffee jitters. You've got to do your research because this shouldn't be gambling. Being subscribed to me and other high quality sources like Joseph Carlson for investing or Stephen Graham for personal finance will put you on the fast lane to freedom. Watch a couple videos about the companies you're invested in and the market trends. Never invest just because a friend told you to. In the wise words of Uncle Ronnie, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So it's not about making a quick buck. Leave that to the day traders. It's about building wealth over time. So be patient. Just like you wouldn't expect to run a marathon without training, don't expect instant results with your investments. Stay the course and you'll be well on your way without the stress of daily changes. And English is hard today. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. Learn from my devastating losses and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. With modern investing apps, you have no excuse to get started. It's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. Start exploring your investment options today. If you want to join me on the road to freedom, harass that subscribe button for me. See you guys tomorrow.